Toadzilla 64 out here again with some more HiFi discs in a different location with Johnsonator and PSN with the
Dboys AK-74.
It's a little quieter by here, folding out his stock, looking all badass. Go ahead and shoot. Shoot the disc, man. What the hell? It's a tough HiFi disc.
This is a Johnsonator recording. Check out my channel on the Johnsonator PSN.
And this is Toadzilla. We're going to be shooting with the UTG M3 shotgun against some target here. HiFi disc. Let's do it. Reload.
Wait for the reload. It is a shelled gun, so it does take a second. Theo! Reloading again.
Just because I love shooting the shotgun. And we're empty. This is 3 shells, 30 rounds apiece of the shotgun versus the HiFi disc. As you can see, it actually shredded it pretty good. I do admit part of it was damaged from the AK. The AK obviously had something wrong with it, so that'll have to be tacked on. But as for this, the shotgun definitely does some good damage against the HiFi disc. It's going to be the lowest power thing we'll probably shoot at with these discs, considering that's only around 300 FPS. Next, we're going to be shooting the P99 by Walther, licensed by X CO2 air gun, blowback, as you can see, CO2 powered. Let's do this.
This is a Johnsonator PSN recording with Toadzilla 64 shooting the Walther P99.
P99, you stupid idiot. And now, this is the Walther P99 CO2 blowback, Walther licensed, fully licensed P99. Amazing. CO2, 80 bucks. Let's see what it does against the HiFi record.
He does have another mag, everybody. Which unfortunately you cannot find mags for this gun. This is the damage that has been done after the P99. As you can see, it's done a really good job at it. The only bad part about that gun is that you cannot get another mag for it because they haven't made them yet.
Yeah, it's the only problem. You can't really find mags to buy for them. If anyone actually sees them out there, give me a holler. As you can see, this is just done. Yeah. We're going to finish off this disc with the shotgun and end up this video. Toadzilla recording again. Oh, you're probably wondering why it's cold as balls outside of t-shirts and pants. It's kind of upsetting when you realize it. But Johnsonator is going to finish off the HiFi disc with his UTG M3 shotgun, and we'll close out this video with Theo the Airsoft dog. Take care of this shit. You're empty. He's reloading. We'll probably edit it, I don't know. Last part. Here we go. Reloaded. We're done. You can see the damage to the disc is definitely done here. I mean, it's done. The shotgun definitely did the most damage today, considering the AK was out. But overall, the P99 did also a very good job. The shotgun did some really good job with its tri-burst. The damage is actually very good on it, blowing off chunks of the disc while it held. But definitely, UTG shotgun won today's disc destroying competition, if you want to call it that. This is Toadzilla and Johnsonator. We'll see you guys in our next video.